Hello YouTubers! In my previously uploaded video series about troubleshooting my water heater, I had more content than I knew what to do with. One of the things I did was to blow out the intake screen at the bottom of the heater burner chamber. I learned about this from the Word of Advice channel, linked in the description. That young man has a lot of helpful HVAC content, so thanks to him, I can show you what I did. I didn't have the problem the way he describes it, but I figured as long as I have the burner chamber opened up, I might as well do a little preventive maintenance. The footage you're seeing here is inside my water heater burner chamber. The perforated sheet metal on the bottom is an air intake screen. These can get plugged up over time and start to starve your flame of oxygen. So I think it's a good idea to clean it out when you have the opportunity. Apparently the best way to clean the screen is with a compressed air blower nozzle. So here I go. I made this portable air tank more than 40 years ago. It's been with me ever since. I do have a gauge on it, and there's a valve. This is made out of an old Freon tank. Back in the old days when you could get R12 refrigerant. And the refrigeration mechanic who gave it to me told me they're pressure tested to 400 psi before they fill them with refrigerant. So my 125 psi at the most air compressor isn't going to be a problem for it. The way I fill it is either at a gas station. I can fill it right here. It's a Schrader valve on the top. Or the way I prefer is I hook it hose to hose. I have a male to male fitting here, which allows me to hook up female to female. I hook it up to my air compressor and start the compressor, and when the compressor is up to pressure, so is this tank. It's up to pressure. So I just went in there with this. Most of the pressure is gone now from the tank, but I just went around, blew those holes out as best I could with the compressed air. I'm repeating this, telling you, describing what I did, because I think I forgot to record. So that's that. And I think there's a visible difference in how it looks in there. I think more of those little holes are clear of the crud that was obstructing them. How the flame looks will tell us for sure.